Hello everyone, it's Josh here from Stellar, back again to resolve your queries. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to recover a lost partition using Stellar Data Recovery. Step 1. Select Data Type. Launch Stellar Data Recovery. On the What to Recover screen, choose the type of data you want to recover. For comprehensive recovery, select All Data. Step 2. Choose Can't Find Drive. Click Next. On the Recover From screen, select Can't Find Drive to search for lost or deleted partitions. Step 3. Search for lost partitions. Click Scan. In the Select Disk window, choose the hard drive where the partition was lost and click Search to locate missing partitions. Step 4. Select and scan the partition. After the search, select the desired partition from the list and click Scan to begin recovering your data. Step 5. Preview and recover data. Once scanning is complete, preview the recoverable files. Select the ones you wish to restore and click Recover to save them to a safe location. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a lost partition using Stellar Data Recovery.